Introduction. India is celebrating her Independence Day. Samar is a proud Indian. He has decided to take part in the celebrations this year. So, he is at the Red Fort with his father and mother. He wants to see the Prime Minister unfurl the Indian national flag. He wants to sing the national anthem along with other countrymen present at the Red Fort. Independence Day is one of the many festivals that India celebrates. In this lesson, you will learn about the different festivals of India. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to list different types of festivals, identify national, religious, and harvest festivals. Festivals. India is a land of many religions. Therefore, it celebrates many festivals. Festivals bring happiness. They spread the message of love and peace. During a festival, we clean and decorate our house. We pray to God. We wear new clothes. We exchange gifts with friends and relatives. Types of festivals. Indian festivals may be classified into three broad categories. They are national festivals, religious festivals, and harvest festivals. National festivals. Festivals celebrated throughout the nation are called national festivals. Some national festivals that India celebrates are Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Children's Day. Birthdays of great people. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, and Dr. S. Radhakrishnan were great Indian leaders. The entire country celebrates their birthdays every year. Let us learn more about them. Children's Day. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on November 14, 1889. He loved children very much, and children called him Chacha Nehru. Therefore, his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day every year. Gandhi Jayanti. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the father of the nation, was born on 2nd October 1869. His birthday is celebrated every year as Gandhi Jayanti. Teachers' Day. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was a great teacher who was born on 5th September 1881. His birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day every year. Self-assessment. Click the correct option. What is celebrated on 5th September every year in India? Religious festivals. Religious festivals are celebrated to worship our gods and goddesses. They vary from religion to religion. Some important religious festivals of India are Dussehra, Diwali, Eid, Guru Purabs, Christmas. Dussehra marks the victory of good over evil. Diwali is the festival of lights. Both are Hindu festivals celebrated in the month of October-November. Eid ul-Fitr is a Muslim festival. It is celebrated at the end of Ramjan, the month of fasting. Guru Purabs are celebrated by Sikhs. They mark the birth anniversaries of 10 Sikh Gurus. Christmas is celebrated by Christians on 25th December to mark the birth of Jesus Christ. On this day, Santa Claus distributes gifts to people. Harvest festivals. Harvest festivals are celebrated when crops are harvested. Some harvest festivals of India are Holi, Lohri, Onam, Pongal. Holi is the festival of colors. People celebrate this day to welcome the harvest season. Lohri is celebrated in Punjab. On this day, people make bonfires and offer newly harvested crops to the fire god as a thanksgiving. Onam and Pongal are the harvest festivals of South India. On these days, people thank God for the good harvest. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Festivals of India may be classified into three broad categories: national, religious, and harvest festivals. National festivals are celebrated throughout the nation. Republic Day and Independence Day are the national festivals of India. We celebrate birthdays of some great leaders of India as Children's Day, Gandhi Jayanti, and Teachers' Day. Religious festivals are celebrated to worship gods and goddesses. Some religious festivals are Dashera, Diwali, Eid-ul-Fitr, Guru Purabs, and Christmas. Harvest festivals are celebrated when crops are harvested. Some